Hi, good morning folks. So the journey begins. It's 5 o'clock in the morning on the 9th, and I'm just about to start the journey. I've got a large number of people here already to flag me off again. Here they are. Shayantan, Jenny is there, hi. Ronak is there, hi. And of course the wife is also there. Okay, so I'm just going to take the reading of the car and start the journey. I'll give you the timestamp as well in a minute. So that is the reading, okay, and that is the time I'm starting now. Okay folks, see you guys soon. Bye bye.